Some breaking news on an activist battle. David Faber joins us now with the details. David.
Yeah, Mike, of course, it's been a pretty quiet M&A front, but activism continues apace, and certainly we've got a number of big names, including Starboard, that continue to press campaigns at a few companies. Got a settlement this morning. We first reported it on CNBC.com a few moments ago. It's been confirmed in a press release that just came out. It is with Kenvue, that company, of course, stock of which has moved up a bit of late, not because necessarily of improving fundamentals, which is sort of at the heart of the dispute here, so to speak, but because it's a defensive name. Mike, you know that better than anyone, and they've been getting some money moving in there of late. The settlement itself, Mr. Smith will go on the board along with two new independent directors, and the focus has been on what essentially is a belief amongst a number of investors, not just Mr. Smith, that there is there's an underperformance here for great brands. We're talking Neutrogena, Tylenol. Viewers may well remember this was spun off from J&J not that long ago. CEO Thibaut Mongon not really chosen by the board so much, and so you do wonder, and this is based on reporting as well, with Mr. Smith moving on, two new directors as well. He is going to be held to account perhaps, and so we'll see how it goes for them. But I think there is a belief that these brands need to be reinvigorated. They need to have reinvestment. That has begun to a certain extent in terms of these assets. But again, sort of disappointment with their overall performance thus far. And if you go back, you can see in terms of since it has been a public company, Mike. But we did want to sort of alert people. It'll be interesting to see, it's a name as well at $50 billion market cap or so that could get batted around a bit as a takeover candidate. Not clear to me that there's anything at all on that front brewing. The first battle will seem to be in the boardroom now about leadership and whether they've got the right leadership in place to sort of bring about that bit of a turnaround. I'll send it back to you guys.
Yeah, David, thank you. Yeah, company spun off less than 2 years ago, has declined from that initial price. We'll see where it goes from here.